Sup guys, so tonight I'll be teaching you how to trade using leverage. Okay, last time on my last video, if you had watched it, I told you and I warned you not to use leverage. You just only use X1, which is your own money. But come on, if you use leverage, you see in trading, the more volume you have, the more chance of you to earn more. Okay, so most of the people, they do leverage because this is the best way to earn money. Okay, since you have a limited capital, you only have 200 US dollar, right? So your exposure is only 200 US dollar, but if you are using a leverage, it will be more. Later I will show it to you, but first let me tell you about this platform. So Etoro, it's kind of one-stop shop. It's everything is here. Okay, so all of the asset classes are here. If you will notice here, stocks, ETFs, coins, index, commodities, and Forex, everything is here. So later I will show you to how to buy all of these asset classes, and we will trade using a leverage. All right, so let's start first trading Forex. Maybe if you are a fan of Forex, let's trade this Euro USD. Okay, let's buy. I told you about sell and buy last time, right? Sell, this is shorting. Buy, this is long. Okay, so I am very much familiar with buy because in the Philippines we don't have shorts. Last time I was using this and I lost money. I'm not familiar with shorts. Okay, so let's just buy the Euro USD using a leverage. For example, you have only 100 US dollar. Just imagine you have only 100 US dollar, but your exposure is 3,000, right? So what's the difference between using X1 and X3? Okay, if this value will be up to 2% and you use an X30, 2% multiplied by 30, it's 60. So if this one will have 2%, immediately your 100 will have 60% gain, right? That's super wow. But on the other hand, if this one will become negative 2%, of course immediately you will lose your 60%. So the more high leverage, the more high risk. Okay, but this time let me show you the art of using a leverage. Okay, now I discussed last time about the overnight fee and weekend fee. So definitely if you are using a leverage, you don't want to pay overnight fee and weekend fee. So you should use only leverage and do a day trading or short trading, okay? So that you will not pay a lot of overnight and weekend fees. Only day trading, all right? So let's open the trade using X30. That's for the Forex. Let's now try commodities. Say we want to trade gold. This is my favorite. Okay, in gold, your leverage is only up to 20. Okay, so let's start and adjust this one into 100 US dollar. Okay, open trade. Now let's try some index. I'm very familiar with SPX 500. I'm trading this. Okay, we will also use X20, okay? But I will put on only 100 US dollar so that it's easier for you to compare. Now guys, index, they require 200 minimum. Okay, The Forex, it's requiring only 50 minimum, but this index and all other index, they are requiring 200. Okay, remember this. All right, open trade. Buy Tesla, the future of cars, and we have a leverage of x5. Let's use 100. Okay, open trade, and let's go with one of the famous FANG, Facebook, Amazon. Okay, click. Let's have an x5 also. Trade. Now let's open our portfolio. Okay, everything is here, guys. So okay, let me tell you, you already know about the stop loss, right? This, you can adjust this, and you can even adjust this, right? It's up to you. But for me, my tolerance here of loss is only 5%. So if I see this 5%, I manually close the trade. Okay, if this one becomes 5%, because that can only tolerate 5% loss. I cannot tolerate 50% loss. Just imagine, guys, if I tolerate 50% loss, this 100, you will immediately lose 50 US dollar. So for me, I always make sure that my loss will not be more than 5%. Okay, and if I gain, if this one becomes profit, like green, this becomes green, my tolerance here is 10%. Okay, I don't want to be more greedy, but my target for day trading is only 10%. Let's go to coins. Binance, it's making noise. So if you want to accumulate coins, you can do, guys. Say for example, you have only 100 US dollar. You see here, there's no charge for daily and weekend. So if you want to keep this as long as you want, you just keep this and accumulate. Maybe after 3 months or 6 months, this 100 will become 600. Who knows, you know? So let's buy XRP. It's famous this time. Let's have 100 US dollar only. Open trade. Ethereum, it's also one of my favorites. Open trade. Okay, I will not buy BTC. It's already expensive. And yeah, but if you want, the most common and active coins here are BTC, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and everyone is going crazy with BNB this time. Yeah, so you can accumulate this, guys. I would suggest you start accumulating coins because this is the future of the currency. So now we have some profits here from gold, SPX 500, and BNB, the Binance. Okay, guys, that's how you use the leverage, and I hope it's clear to you now. And I'll be posting the link on this description below, so that it's easy for you to click the link and you will be directed to this platform. But I would suggest that you download the mobile app so that it's easier for you to to do the trading using a data, because as you can see, we cannot rely on the internet connection here in our work because it's so slow and it will sabotage your trading. So just buy a data. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video was so clear and you understand about the trading using leverage. And by next week, maybe I will be sharing with you all those pool funds like ETFs and mutual funds. So thank you, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. I'll see you next week.